Alright, everybody, today is our updo day, of course. Of course it is. Trying to get some bobby pins around here. It's hard trying to find all these bobby pins. I'm a mess with bobby pins, I really am. I take them out all over the place. Then I spend all day trying to gather them all up. But I need them to do my updos. So today we're just going to do a little twist and pin action here. I'm just going to take the hair up, kind of fold it back and pin it. And remember, we like to hide the bobby pins. People are always wondering what the back of my hair looks like in my videos. Girl, me too. I wonder what it looks like too. I'm just feeling everything. Everything is by feel with me. Does it feel like it went in okay? Maybe. It's starting to look like some Disney princess hairstyle. Wait, watch out. Disney princesses, I'm coming for your job. Getting my Princess Jasmine look on. We're going to pin it up. Now in the back, what I would do is do some kind of like pin curls, right? I want to make sure they kind of go different ways. And after that, of course, we would freeze the shell. Get some pieces hanging down here. All we do, pull those up. Tuck it in, of course. So a little tuck and curl. Nice little updo. You can bring your hair down in the front because that's what we like to do. But it's nice, easy, kind of thrown up, Disney princess, kid having a birthday and you want to act like Princess Jasmine or Cinderella or whatever it is. Throw it up, pin it up, some little pin curls, and be done. Have a great day. If you like the video, press like, subscribe, share. Another style done for the new year. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to go. Have a good one.